Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product, which name is cosrx AHA BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner. This toner is infused with botanical ingredients, 0.1%. BHA means beta-hydroxy acid, and 0.1% AHA means alpha-hydroxy acid to gently exfoliate your skin, soften skin texture, clear pores, and restores skin's ideal pH, and remove dead skin cells. Soften skin texture. This is ideal for oily acne-prone skin. Let's dive deep into its smell, texture, and packaging. The toner has a typical scent of an exfoliating products like milk chemical scent. Texture is watery and has fast-absorbing quality. Packaging, 150 ml stored in a plastic bottle with a spray. Final thought. This is a truly gentle exfoliating product. I believed it will not cause you to purge because it only has both 0.1% of AHA and BHA. This helped my skin to remove dead skin cells. Since I know that it is gentle, I like to use this with cotton pads to deeply remove impurities. But sometimes I also use this as a mist, just spraying all over my face and done. It brightened my skin, of course, with the help of other skincare products, but using this alone won't assure you to have that glowy skin. In terms of my acne, I am amazed on how it helped my pimples to dry out fastly. I remember I had one big pimple on my nose, and I started my exfoliation routine, and the next morning it was dried out. Well, for more advanced users of actives, you may find this seemingly too gentle, since it has lower percentage, so I may recommend you to use the other cosrx exfoliating products. They also have the AHA and BHA different toners. Thanks for watching.